Hello everybody. This adventure today takes me out here by myself. I actually came out with my family, my mother, my father, and my sister. Brandy wasn't able to make it. She had some other things that had come up, so she wasn't able to make it out here today. But today brings us to, or this trip brings us to Garner State Park. We're gonna be taking a look around the park here a little bit. I'm gonna cook up a little breakfast. It's actually gonna be a breakfast sandwich that I'm gonna cook up. And then down to a brewery over in Johnson City. Gonna go meet up with my daughter, my grandson, and my son-in-law. Go see what kind of beer they have out there, and hopefully I can show you all that. So that's what we're doing this time, all after this. So here I am at Garner State Park. Just walking around here. You'll see what they've got. We got a river down here that I'm fixing to head on down to. Show you a little bit of that. It's a pretty big park, so there's a lot to do here. Well, even with the drought that we've been having, looks like the water's running decently. Although I've seen it a lot higher than this. But crystal clear water. Here's the Frio River in Texas Hill Country. Hiking trails. Okay, like I said earlier, came down here with my folks and my sister. Wave. Finally got them to come out and do something instead of sitting in the dadgum camper all day watching movies.
Watching movies.
So here we are at the Frio River. Well, good morning everybody. It's bright and early, got my coffee going. This morning making a breakfast sandwich. It's actually a grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm gonna chop up some jalapenos. Here's what I'm doing now. Get those chopped up. I'm also gonna add in some green bell pepper. A couple of slices of those. Those chopped up. You can pretty much add whatever you want to this. This is going to go into my egg mixture, or into my scrambled eggs that's going on my sandwich. And I'm also going to get a slice of onion, get that all chopped up. Once I get all this chopped up, I'll just throw it into my skillet here. Get them cooked up a little bit. Get this lit, heat up the pan. Add some butter. Throw in all the vegetables, get that fried up. Kind of get those cooked up to where they're softened. Once that's done, we'll add our egg. This is 2 scrambled eggs that I'm putting in here. Get that cooked up to your liking. I like my eggs pretty firm. And then once that's cooked up, remove that from the pan, set it aside. Get our toast in there. Add a little more butter. And we'll add our 2 slices of bread. So we'll start getting toasted up. Add some American cheese, and also we'll add some mozzarella cheese to this. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Like I said, I'm putting American and mozzarella. Have the eggs that we just cooked up, put those on top. And we'll just let that get toasted up. And there you have it. Grilled cheese breakfast sandwich. Okay, so let's see how this turned out. Looks good. Give this a try. Good. Very good. I'm gonna enjoy it. So we're here at Johnson City Pecan St Brewing here in Johnson City, Texas. We're gonna try this out. Okay, so we just left. I just left this Pecan St Brewing.
Let me see. Let me see.
Had to wear a mask to go in. The food was excellent. The beer was good. And it was a great experience. So if you're ever in Johnson City, Texas, come check out Pecan St Brewing. It's a pretty good place.